Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is to share with y'all some updates that I've made to my bar and lounge business plan template for 2024 using AI. So the way the video is going to play out is first and foremost going to go ahead and give you all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. And then after that, we'll dive into some of the updates that I've made to the bar and lounge business plan template, again, for 2024. All right, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. As promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, doctoral candidate. I am also a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all want to avoid all the fun and excitement, trials, and tribulations of writing your own business plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to write the business plan for you. I'm also a business mentor as well as business consultant. So if you need some assistance in understanding your financials, creating financial models, creating or executing your strategic plans, again, just pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to assist in those areas as well. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor as well as subject matter expert for both business and finance. So if your business plan is good to go, however, those financial projections are just locking you up and you just can't get over that hill, again, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to assist on that area as well. All right, enough with this. Let's go ahead and zip through the little presentation. The first update that I made to the Bar and Lounge Business Plan template for 2024 is I added a logo to the title page. Now, the logo is just a placeholder. Obviously, you're going to probably want to put your own logo in there. If you don't, then feel free to use this one. But the way that I did it is I just went to ChatGPT, asked it for a logo for a bar and a lounge, and it generated this nice little setup right here. So I took this image, I plugged it into the title page, and so now the structure of the title page for the template reads the bar and lounge. So right at the top is where you're going to put the name of your bar or lounge. And then you're going to have your logo underneath. And then right under that is going to say business plan, just to let the reader know what the purpose of the document. The second update that I made is I updated the menu items. And so typically what I'll do when I'm writing a business plan or for my template is I'll just list the items, or I'll give you the opportunity to list the various items that are going to be on your menu. Instead, for this year, what I've done is I had Chat GPT generate me just real generic sentence for y'all to go ahead and make it yours for your business plan template. So instead of just listing item 1, item 2, item 3, I now introduce the items with just an introductory sentence. And again, you can change this introductory sentence around as you see fit. But instead of just listing the menu items, at least we have some kind of introduction now for the business plan template. And the final update that I made to the Bar and Lounge business plan template for 2024, is I updated the industry research. As we all know, having an updated industry research is a critical component of a business plan, especially for the bar and lounge industry. So what I did is I went to IBIS World. I have a subscription with them, and I went ahead and summarized the report, just made it my own, and I included it into my business plan template. And so the way it reads is you got your industry overview, bar and nightclub industry, and then I updated various segments in there, specifically the revenues, the profits, profit margin, number of businesses, number of employees, and then the wages for the industry. Of course, all these are estimates, but it did come directly from IBIS World, and so I cited the information accordingly. All right, so hopefully this is helpful, some of the updates that I made to the template. So let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. In summary, if you are interested in purchasing my business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document as well as a basic financial model that is customized for the industry. I also provide various tutorials. You can find my tutorials on this link right here. The tutorials just help you with the various aspects of the business plan template, completing them, and those tutorials can be accessed before or after you purchase the business plan template. Keep in mind there are some limitations to all my business plan templates. You do need Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel in order to make edits. And also, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns before you purchase a business plan template, be delighted to have a great conversation with you. My contact information is right here. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. We can have a great conversation. However, after you purchase my template, then I do not offer free phone support. If you want me to help you fill out that template, I do charge for the service. The service is there, it's mentoring, but like I said, I do charge for it. And then finally, if you do want to buy my business plan templates or check out the various templates that I have, the link is right here. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with business plan templates, you don't want to mess around with tutorials, you just want a professional to write your business plan for you, or you just want a professional to do your financial projections, I would be delighted to do so. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, or visit my prices page right here. And then finally, please subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Hopefully this was helpful. Go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.